the sun, I ask thee to transform thyself! Now, burn through the shadows with your fiery rage! I summon Obelisk the Tormentor! Happening! Obelisk the Tormentor! Attack! Fist of Fury! And now, I shall resurrect Slifer the Sky Dragon!
Oh man! He just brought back an Egyptian god!
Slifer's attack points are determined by the number of cards in my hand. And since I'm holding 4, he now has 4,000 points! The Egyptian God card! Slifer! The Sky Dragon! Obelisk the Tormentor and the Winged Dragon of Ra!